at Thumper Fab and it just came a downpour. So of course we had to go get a little bit of mud on the tires, but that's not what I'm here to talk about. Today I want to talk to you about the all-new RMAX Wolverine Cage. So we have several options that this cage offers. Of course, you can do your windshield, your front intrusion bars. It also has the option to do a sunroof up here. But what's really unique about this cage is around the back. Let's take a look at it. So this is the utility racks back here on the Yamaha Wolverine RMAX. But what's really unique about them is you have endless possibilities. You can do the water jugs, you can do the gas jugs, you can do chainsaws. I mean, the mounts that you can put on this rack are really endless. So anytime I do any type of cage videos, the main question that people ask me is, well, how high is it? How low is it? So this option right here is our lowbrow. I'm about 5'5". I'm sitting comfortably and I can see very, very clear what's in front of me. Still have plenty of height, so if you wanted to do the sunroof, you could do the sunroof. If you wanted to add some speakers into here your way, you could also do that. Plenty of headroom here. I mean, I could hit some bumps and, you know, roll this thing, but that Thumper Fab cage is gonna keep you safe. So the Thumper cage is gonna bring you from about a 5-inch chop from factory. So I'm in the back seat now, sitting straight up, and as you can see, I still have plenty of room. I'm not gonna bump my head, I'm not gonna hit the intrusion bars, the grab handles, or anything like that. Like I said, the possibilities for this cage is endless. You can do a sunroof, you can do the utility racks on the back, low brow, high bar, grab handles, intrusion bars, light bar brackets. Everybody has to have a light bar on their machine. I don't care what you do with it, you need light bars. So we have that option for you too. So if you want to thump your RMAX out just like this one, check it out, thumperfab.com. I'll see you on the trails.